What's up, guys? It's been a long time since we built a Diamondback. This is an early 80s Diamondback Viper. These are not the original stickers, so please excuse them. Otherwise, this is going to be an awesome build. So we got the Diamondback Viper, and these are Sugino cranks. These are beautiful 3-piece cranks straight from the 80s. We also have a Sugino Mighty Comp sprocket. Beautiful, beautiful sprocket. And this is a really nice frame. We have the matching forks as well and a green 1-inch headset. So let's move on to parts. So we have this really nice Diamondback 1-inch stem. We have the Cashamax handler seat with the cool handle on the back. Don't see too many of these are pretty cool. We also have the fluted laid back seat post. We have some Diamondback handlebars, some Amy round grips. We got some cool green 80s BMX brakes. We got the matching MX knockoff levers. Just an 80s clamp. We got a green KMC chain. Sealed Welgo pedals. We got some green brake cables. We have the Skyway mag wheels. And then we got these cool salt green wall tires. These are gonna look good with the mags. So we got a fun Diamondback old school build for you. This is gonna be a fun one. And make sure to check out some more above after the video. We have tons of old school Diamondback videos. Let's get to the build. What's up, guys? We finished up this Diamondback Viper. This bike came out looking really nice. Made in Japan. Beautiful tubing. We got the diamond pattern on the front. So let's go through all the parts with you. We have Amy grips. We have these green levers, Diamondback bars, brake cables, brand new. We have a Diamondback Sugino stem, green headset, these green brakes, salt tires with Skyway mag wheels, Welgo pedals in green, Sugino cranks and a Sugino sprocket, a green KMC chain. We have this green clamp with a fluted layback post and this Cashamax handler seat. On the back we have another pair of those green brakes and a salt tire with the green wall. We got a Skyway mag wheel and a Shimano freewheel. So this bike came out looking really nice. We're gonna post a bunch of Diamondback builds above, so make sure to check those out as well. Hope you guys enjoy the build. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.